What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Traxxas Wide Body Max V2. I'm testing her out for the first time because I told you I rebuilt this, so this is my first day out. Just to give y'all the heads up what I got in there since it's nice and bright out here. So I got Mamba X system ESC. Mamba X ESC in there. Still running the factory motor, factory servo, running this Gens 8 800 milliamp 100C. I want to do a bash around test, speed test, and all that good stuff today. Let's get into it. I got hot racing hubs in the front and hot racing hubs in the rear. Running the I did a whole rebuild because this was the V1, so I did a whole conversion on it. Just debating how should I do this. The grass is thick today, so I don't know. I'm gonna do an on-road speed test to take my nav out, and then an off-road speed test. It should have rocked though, I tell you that much. Handle's nice. The factory servo ain't bad though. But let me set this nav at. Be right back. Now it's saying 62 miles an hour, but I really pretty much doubt that. Let's start over. 62 miles an hour? Come on now. I give myself props, but I can't give myself that much props. Let's give her another shot. We're gonna start from back here. And it's only 4. I don't know, I mean, thing was moving there, I don't know. All right, let me check that speed, see what that was. I don't know why I'm holding my camera when I have a headpiece mounted. Hope you can see this because I can barely see it. Yeah, that's more like it. 41 miles an hour, that sounds about right. She stays a lot more planted than. Whoa. That's that skillful driving right there. I didn't even try it on 6S yet. I can't imagine that. Yo, this is only for S. That's the funny part. Wait till I put it on 6. Ooh. I don't think I'm gonna do 6S here. I'm gonna do that in my next video. I'll let y'all check that 6S out. Don't hit the door. Yo, I got whip skill though. Yo, this is my new body. Oh my God. Oh, let me check that speed real quick. That's just some bashing around speed. That's like 44 miles an hour. 44 miles an hour. But that 6S running is coming up, so no big deal. Finger slip right off. Perfect. Oh. Let's see, can we do a backflip off of that thing? Cause my finger keeps slipping off. I might have to throw it on my head. Could do better. I shouldn't have the time, and I don't want to jump into this pole. Line this up nice and even. I had this for a long time. Ooh, 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 bang. I'm steering it. No. Yeah, I knew that. I seen that coming. And this thing was a tank. Perfect. Almost. It's not up enough. Definitely not up enough. Whoa. I was wondering about that battery tray I just put in here, how I got the battery tray. I got the got Velcro on it. Wondering how that will hold up anyway. So it's holding up pretty good. Good. Definitely not turning out right, so I don't want to play myself and try to backflip it. Perfect. And it backflipped nicely. I remember eventually. Yeah. I'm giving it a real durability test today, ain't I? All right, let me line up where this pole is not at. Saved it. Yeah, she held up pretty good today. On point. Yeah, what kind of... Yeah, she held up pretty good. She held it down. Should have checked the temps. But she really not that hot. You know, it's not that hot, surprisingly. It's not hot at all. The motor not hot, the ESC not hot. I don't have an exact temp check, but I've just finger tested it, and it's not hot. Really on point. That's my next step, is to upgrade the servo. I might leave this motor and ESC combo in there because it's really smooth, way smoother than I thought. You know, I mean, it almost seemed like it's censored because I don't get no cogging. Even in slow motion, it don't cog. So pretty good, pretty good. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.